How to fixing the critical process died error in Windows 10. The critical process died error refers which an important hardware, component or software didn't start up correctly or stopped suddenly. Make sure critical process died error returns the code 0x0000EF. If you've received this error 2 times, you should proceed to fix the error. Click Start menu. Open Command Prompt in Administrator mode. Click Yes. Enter the System File Checker command sfc/scano and press Enter. Once the scan is complete, you can proceed. Restart your computer. If you still receive the critical process died error, try doing the following command. Reopen Command Prompt in Administrator mode. If the steps in this section haven't fixed the error, you'll need to take your computer into a professional repair service. Thanks for watching video.